What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and here you will see a flight mode icon. So tap on this icon to turn it on and then wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back off, and after that the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, open the quick settings panel again. Now tap on this power icon and then tap on restart. Now here again tap on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix the Wi-Fi issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on connections and here tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap on this settings icon with your connected Wi-Fi network and then tap on forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And after reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution to fix your Wi-Fi issue is open settings, scroll down and here tap on general management. Now here scroll down and tap on reset, and then scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now again tap on reset settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings back to factory default, and after that the Wi-Fi will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.